Hi YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share with you a miniature dollhouse that I obtained in the Elephant's Trunk flea market in Connecticut. And this flea market is let's see, on Sundays only, and they have more than 300 tables, vendors that sell just about everything, new, old, antiques, you name it, they have everything there. So Google it if you want to go on a Sunday when you don't have anything to do. Just check it out. I bought this house for $20. The man seemed like he really wanted to get rid of it with all the miniature pieces and electrical. It has electric, and I tested it out, and it works. There's a light there, and look at the little plugs. They're just like in real life, and they go plugged on the wall. How neat. Isn't that something, the way they do that, the electrical? And the whole house is going to light up when I'm done with it. I've already pre-cut walls and flooring, so I have all those pieces here. See, I cut out the windows, everything. It's gonna be totally different by the time I finish with this. It's in good condition. Look at the doors, the way they just open with no problem. Same thing down there. So I'm going to transform this house. Right now it looks pretty bad because it's not, it's not finished or anything, but it's gonna be a totally different story when I'm done with it, because this is my hobby and this is what I like to do. I like to take a miniature house like this and see what I can do with it. So it didn't need paint. The structure, everything, it's not broken, intact. All it needs is just tender loving care and some decoration. So anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I just can't wait to finish this project.